Yeah, coming again winter and help friend back now car and this restore this BMW heavy cracks curving drive winter snowstorm road be very bad snow and ice black ice and I minimal speed driving curving and moment little hill and yeah I remember it this is moment drifting and back normal no control back road drift back road but not possible impossible not possible real car very weak and wheel coming three no 3 and frontal center real car not again rebel real the problem longeron but real frame set engine and two frame real defect not real rebel and not real welding this car is technical not again drive no real ending this zone but no good alive real frontal this car is game over but interesting thing I very fast sold I call friends and say problem just bust yeah and other day back evacuator car hold this car and back friend special home no before a time sold real not possible restaurant but other people next again this car reboot but understanding cannot good real frame special engine fixed not possible no real now car body frame and full engine and all salon no every no back converting other car from but interesting thing this engine very good really big system and 57D3 very good diesel 3-liter diesel turbine engine very strong and alive with incident crash wood crash but work interesting and good bumper Save engine. Not a big speed and real gearbox not restored and rare sai carbon real not reborn again but car engine live. So this is my two craft magic model summertime and winter, but winter stairs are very vague. But understanding don't drifting this car is very vague and real 2 tons and special tires Arctic winter another variant, but this Arctic winter is very bad snow and ice real car normal speed driving 17 kilometers air standard 17 kilometers and flying snow flying and up and black ice real car slide. So no, but I like the real defect special car carabin kas savēju body very veiks kras speciāls car frame crossing you save tā kā reāli this car save me live yeah, very fast and powering this sport car version wagon 39 very good car but bad winter sedan. Okay, thank you Will and next other video material I every time now video. This is my old back time years filming material. Every day montage and next upload YouTube channel. The real waiting next other interesting video. Okay, thank you Will and next other upload video material and okay, good day everybody.